Hi, and welcome back to the Hangar with Xcraft. And in part 9 of the 32nd Trumpeter TBD Devastator build, we're going to be getting the center wing section installed. We're going to be building outer wing panels, probably getting the engine, and possibly working on the empennage. So, more than likely, we'll see some fair progress in this segment. So, stay tuned because that's coming at you right now. Okay, in this image you can clearly see with the center wing section installed that wing joint, as previously shown to you with the gap, has been closed up, glued in place. Same thing on the other side. This came together really, really nice with no issues at all. These folding wing joints on the outer panels need to remain visible. They are not invisible on the full-scale aircraft. You do not want to close these up. Same thing on the other side, of course. Do not make them invisible. These notching tabs on the bottom of the fuselage that were an issue have been trimmed and seated in nicely. They've been finished out. They look a little rough, but in fact they are smooth and they're clean and ready for primer. And here is the aircraft overall. This is a big honking airplane. So it's looking really, really good at this point. I want to jump back for just a moment on these folded wing joints. So these joints are a little bit tricky to get together. It looks like they should drop in quite nicely. There's 2 alignment pins on the root of each wing section, and it looks like they just push together, but they don't. There's this weird little locking tab on the underside of the upper part of the wing in that center notched area, and that's a little tricky to get snapped in. Okay, you just saw a time-lapse video of the construction of this, the TBD Devastator, 1/32 scale by Trumpeter. We got the wings installed, we got the empennage installed, we got the cowling engine installed, this little air scoop, tail wheel, hook, these little doors that cover the gun bay for the rear gunner, flaps. We got a lot done this time around. This thing is 18.5-inch wingspan tip to tip and about a 4.5-inch cord at the root. I'll bet in reality these were really good, stable flying airplanes. Horrible performers, but stable, and I bet they were forgiving. Now, that makes them a horrible platform. It's a horrible war platform. Underpowered and just not maneuverable at all. You got a 0 on your tail. You don't want to be in this airplane, that's for sure. So we made some notable progress this time around. I had to make a decision. Am I going to do a torpedo or am I going to do bombs? Well, there's 4 holes that I had mentioned earlier on either side of this bay, 2 on each side, 2 here, 2 over here, and those are for the bombs. And I drilled them out so I can make the decision. If I don't use them, then I'll just fill them and we'll paint over them. However, I may do bombs on this one. I've got another Devastator. It's on floats. It was a concept aircraft that never actually went into production. This is what it looked like. This is the artwork from the box. This is Great Wall Hobbies. And Great Wall Hobbies also makes a wheeled version of this, not on floats. So I think I'm going to get one of those in 48 scale, and we'll build that wing folded. This one I decided to go with wings open in this case, and I think we're going to do bombs on this one. So let me know what you think. Should I do a torpedo or should I do bombs? Put it down in the comments. And we'll see you back here soon for part 10. We'll be getting after either bombs or torpedo mounts or wherever we're going to go with that. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. If you would, it helps a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you all next time. And until then, keep your fingers out of the glue.